war belongs in the museum. The Overloon War Museum is located in Overloon, Netherlands. The museum was opened on May 25, 1946, making it one of the oldest museums in Europe dedicated to the Second World War. The museum is located on the site of the Battle of Overloon, a World War II tank and infantry battle between Allied and German forces that occurred in September and October 1944, in the aftermath of Operation Market Garden. The museum is set in 14 hectares of woodland. A feature of the museum is the large number of military vehicles and equipment on display, both German and Allied. For years these have been kept in the open air, but have recently been moved indoors in order to help preserve them. Many of the exhibited vehicles took part in the Battle of Overloon. In 2006 the collection was expanded with a large number of vehicles from a private collection. This information was taken from the English Wikipedia site.